Oh, dito tayo. Ano ang pangalan na talaga?
Blue and gold, please. Blue and gold. Pier 39.
Blue and gold.
Ladies and gentlemen, please pay close attention to the following passenger safety announcement. This vessel sails under regulations set forth by the United States Coast Guard. Emergency exits are located on the first deck. Life rings are located outside on each deck, and life jackets are located under seats in marked bins throughout the cabins. Children must be supervised by an adult at all times on this voyage. In the unlikely event of an emergency, passengers should remain calm and follow crew member instructions. We recommend you remain seated for the duration of the voyage. However, if you find it necessary to move about the cabin, please do so with extreme caution and always use the provided handrails. Be extra careful near stairwells.
Diba ang
For
late
your
na?
safety, please do not stand on the
Private
benches
tata.
and please refrain from smoking anywhere on the vessel.
Welcome aboard. Today we are headed out on a cruise around the San Francisco Bay. We'll voyage out under the Golden Gate Bridge, around famous Alcatraz Island, and get a unique seaside view of the beautiful city on the bay. From San Francisco to Alcatraz to the Golden Gate Bridge and beyond, we'll be covering a lot of territory today, a lot of history, and a lot of stories.
We're going na boy. Alis
San
na tayo.
Francisco is a port city, a city with salt water in her veins. Take a good look, my friends, for this is no ordinary view. Now, the first thing I want you to do is take a deep breath and
Hindi
fresh
tayo naghintay na matagal.
but hold on tight. The water can get choppy even on the calmest days, so be careful as you're walking around the deck. As we pull out of the dock, look out the windows and down into the water. See some frisky
Oh,
sea
alis
lions.
din yan. Nagre-ready
If you
na.
miss them now, we'll see some later as we return. If they're hiding today, you can almost hear them.
Where's that sound boy?